Hello guys, this is Styles Graphics. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I paint using a new style. So this is a new style. I'm going to be doing a realistic painting. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you add a new layer for your paint layer. Then you make sure you get a base color or a mid-tone for your skin color. Make sure it's the mid-tone. Make sure you fill it well and make sure it's under your sketch layer. So all you're going to do is you pick up the color and use your color picker. Definitely you're going to use your color picker to pick out the colors. So since it's a realistic painting, we're going to be picking out the colors on the skin, directly on the skin. We're not going to be using color palettes to shade or to paint. So select your paintbrush, then you increase the size, then you paint. Make sure you paint it carefully and make sure it corresponds with the reference. So you keep on picking out the colors. Just make sure you pick out the colors according to the reference. So just keep on picking up the colors, pick them up, then you pick them up. Make sure the colors you're picking up, make sure it's on the new layer and make sure it's at the top of your mid-tone. Make sure it's at the top of your base color, that's the mid-tone. Then just keep on picking up the color and reduce the size and pick up the color, reduce the size, then pick up the color, reduce, then add. So this is pretty what we're going to be doing for now. This is just what you're going to be doing for now. Then you just keep on picking up the color. Just pick up the color, then add, pick up the color, add, pick up the color, add. This is pretty much what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to speed the video. I'm going to be speeding the video. Just keep on picking up the color, pick them up, then add, pick up, and add. Make sure it's still on a new layer. I'm gonna be writing down the names of the brushes I used in this particular tutorial, so just check down below in the description box. You're going to be seeing all the names of the brushes I used in this video. So guys, after we're done picking up the colors, and make sure it's on the new layer, make sure everything you're doing is on the painting layer. Then after doing that, you select your blending brush. You reduce opacity, make sure the opacity is 1, the flow is 1. Then the size, you can readjust the size depending on the place you're blending. So you're going to be reducing the size, you increase, you reduce, so as to get a very nice and smooth surface. So make sure your flow is at 1. So I'm going to be using my flow at 1% throughout this video. So all you need to do is just to blend them. Make sure you're still on the same layer which you've picked the color. Make sure you're using the same layer to be on the safer side. Maybe in case you've made mistake in the blending, you can before blending you can duplicate the layer so as to avoid mistakes. You can duplicate the layer, then you save the already picked colors, so that you can just simply go back to where you've stopped in case you've made mistakes. So you can just reduce the size of your blending brush and keep on blending. Make sure is going directly, like it's going at the same direction with the reference. Make sure you're blending it at the same direction with the colors. Don't blend it roughly, just make sure it's going along the same direction. So just keep on blending. So I'm going to be speeding up the video, so just keep on blending them, blend the colors. So guys, after you're done with your blending, you can create a new layer for the detailing. So you're going to detail every wrinkle, every spots on the face, every highlight. You're going to be doing highlighting. Make sure your highlight is on a new layer. Make sure your detailing is on a new layer. You can also shade some parts that are not clear. So I'm not going to do that now because it's going to take so much time. So but since you've already gotten the idea on how to blend, the shading won't be a problem, because I've already done a video on the shading and how to detail the face and the highlights. So just check my other videos. So then you comment down below if you're having any difficulties. So I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.